Okay, my dear schools, everybody sit properly now. Sit properly, take out a book and beat it. We'll start with a new topic, and the topic is on question tag. Question tag. This is very important topic, and this question is for is from 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th. Up to 12th, they usually ask such type of questions, and you should have very confident on that. So this is the easiest way of learning question tag. What is the easiest way? When we learn with the question tag, we try to find out what exactly question tag is. Question tag is something confirm something about it. It is called be a question tag. So we can say something like there are four forms are there. Just you have to understand. There are four forms are there. Now which are those two or four forms? One is to be form, right? Second one to do form. Third one is to have form, and fourth one is modern auxiliaries. No. Auxiliaries. Okay, up. These are the four forms we got, and among these four forms, one question usually comes. And these questions are very important. Right? First of all, can anybody give me the answer for this? Just repeat the words. Whenever I will ask the question, you have to repeat the words. First one is am, am, is, are, was, and were. Right? So what is that to be for? And it, are, wa, were. You have to learn all the time, right? So the second one you got to be a to do form. In this to do form, we'll have do, does, and did. So what is the to do form? The and okay, what is the to have for? We'll have three words: have, has, and had. What are the to have for? Have, say have. What are the model of the rates? Can, could, will, would, shall, should, and must. Now can you repeat the words after me? What is that? What are the model of the rate? Can, could, the will, shall, right? Now try to understand what ICT it is. Okay. First of all, what is the negative form of app? You have to tell the question type. What is the question type of app? App is RL. What is the question type of is? Is it? Yes, very good. What is the question of R? RRN. Right? What is the question of was? Wasn't. Wasn't. What is the question of what? Where? Okay, where is? Right? Now, second one, if we take it a do, what is the question that for do? Does. Don't. What is the question of do? Don't. What is the question of does? Doesn't. It doesn't. What is the question of did? Didn't. Or did. Okay. Now, what is the question tag of have? Haven't. What is the question of has? Hasn't. What is the question of had? Hadn't. Right? Now, here, what is the question of scan? Question tag of scan? Car. Very important. You have to remember. Cab, car. What is the question of code? Code. What is the question of weight? Ah, on board. What is the question of board? No, not board. What is the question of share? Share. What is the question of should? Should. What is the question of must? Must. Now, what is that C follow? Once again, repeat the words. Can change it to can't. Could will would shall should must must end, right? But these are the words. If this person comes in the sentence that if the sentence is in present tense, it will change into negative tab, right? Now, what exactly? First of all, let me tell you what is the example of one example I'm going to give you on this. अब वो एग्जाम्पल क्या रहेगा? लाइक सी फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एग्जाम्पल बहुत ही सिंपल है. जस्ट रिमेंबर, नंबर वन, सी आई एम singing a song. Also, I think go right. Now, this question will come in the board exam. A guaranteed question, a guaranteed question usually come. Not this. Among this one question usually come in the exam. So, if this question come 1 to 2, after whenever the question comes, don't write. See, there are 2 3 points I'm going to tell you. What they will say? 1 second, to write. I am singing a song. Right? Now you have to make afterward you have to make comma. After writing the question, you have to make comma. And what is the question tag of am? What is the question tag of am? Rn. Rn. So what is the answer we will use in here? R. Rn. What is this? I. So answer will be Rn. I. Okay. Now what I exactly have to do? See, I am singing a song. When the seconds come, you have to make comma is important, and whatever the words are writing should be written in small letter, except I, because we never write I like this. We never write I like this. We usually write the I as a capital. Okay, and then later on it's a question mark. So this is the tag which is called the confirmation. So to confirm something is a question tag. So whenever the question comes, don't write directly answer like this. Okay, in the exam, you have to write from here to here, then make a comma and write everything in small letter followed by question mark. What would I mean? So this is what the techniques are done in this. If if you have forgotten to make a comma, you have forgotten to make a I as a capital, you've forgotten if you are written A as a capital, or if you're forgetting to mark question mark, then you will never get the marks. They might give you half mark, they might deduct your half mark, or they might be given zero also. Okay. Now this is the example. We'll start with the example now. I am singing a song. Right? I am singing a song R and I. Now the question arises whether we have to write A in type or R in type. We should not consider A in type because A in type is an American language. As we know that British have ruled on us for 150 years, and that's why we are using R in type and not the A in type. What would I? These are the examples. Now we'll go for the second example. Second example, Lakesh is writing on the board. The term is again is the right question here. Rakesh is writing on the board. Make a comma. What is the question tag here? Is that is it? So what is the answer? Is it the how to write? Is it E. But enough. Okay, now we take one more example from this. He does his work. Number 3. He does his work. What is the answer? What is the question about this does?
Does it?
Doesn't. So what is the answer?
Does it?
Doesn't. E. Right? And next one, what are we talking about? We'll take one more example from have. Number 4. I have completed my homework. Not telling me. What is the have? What is the next form of have?
Have ya?
Have it. You have the right have it. Right? Have us. What is the pronoun for this? R. Is got it right? R. Next question mark. Okay. Now, so fifth one will be the question like number five. Fifth one. Like I shall come to your place. Come to your place. Now, now tell me what is the question that called chat? Spider. Chat. Whether you want to write small letter or capital letter? Small letter. Small letter. So what is the answer that in the form of chat? Shine. 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 Ah, yeah. Okay, body environment. Okay. So this way. And which question might come in this exam? See, there are lots of confusion for some of the words like and confusing and. Second, it might be confusing for does. This question might come. It can come on can, and then it can come on shall, and it could come on to must. Okay, this whatever stars are given, that you have to go through it. Among to all the words are given, this starred mark question, just go through it, and accordingly you can solve it. Okay, what is clearly understood? So if I tell you he was ringing a bell, then what is the answer for that? Was it he? Okay, hadn't I had seen the Taj Mahal. What is the answer? I didn't. Okay, now one more change I told you. You can make instead of hadn't, you can make didn't also, and here you can make doesn't also. Okay, you can make doesn't also. You can make didn't also. Didn't. Yeah, didn't also you can make. Right? And then afterward, yeah, uh, I will complete my homework by tomorrow. What is the answer? Won't I? Right? So this question also remember will, because there are lots of confusion about it. Whatever start marking are given, that you have to learn it by heart. Okay? Body clearly understood? So if this question comes from this, just you have to make if the sentence in positive, you have to make it to negative. Okay? If the sentence is negative, then no question for at all. Okay, to solve it. What is if you really like my channel, okay, if you really like my please subscribe me and wait for the next video, okay, with a new topic. Thank you very much.